Welcome back to Light Source Engraving, and today I have an unboxing for you. It's for a very specific product for a specific laser. However, Lester, who manufactured this product, designed it and then milled it himself, is quite capable and probably could come up with the design for a similar laser and achieve similar functionality. So I'll be sure and leave his contact info at Pinpoint Cam in the description, and if you need something, be sure and reach out to Lester and let him know I sent you and see if he can make something for you. So what I'm going to be unboxing today is the Pinpoint Cam riser for the Noualaser Smart 2 system. Lester has designed this and made it so that you can use a taller lens without having to rotate the tower to fit your item underneath. One consideration though is for a smaller lens, it will raise your galvo head up above the focal point so that you can't drop it low enough. So if you have an XY table or something else to raise your material, you'll be good to go. That's what I use. I use an XY table, it raises everything up, I can adjust it perfectly, and it's a win-win. But this does allow you to use a 300 lens without having to rotate the tower to the side. So it's very well made. This is version 1. Version 2 is a little bit taller. I asked for a little bit taller one so that I could actually fit some taller items under the 300mm lens. So we're going to unbox that, install it, and see how it goes. I will leave Lester's contact info in the description, and I'm also going to post a picture of this card so that you can scan the QR code or jot down his info towards the end of the video. But that's enough for the intro. Let's just go ahead and start the unboxing process. Alright, so I've brought you down to more of a better view to unbox this. I'll take out my trusty unboxing knife. If you saw my other unboxing video, this will be the knife that I use for every unboxing video, just because it's ridiculous. And everybody likes a little bit of humor, I hope. So as you can see, this is fresh, well packed. New business card. You get that in frame there. So it's Lester with Pinpoint Cam. Pinpoint Cam. Lots of plastic. So we are very well protected. I have a friend named Marcus who gave me some rolls of plastic wrap, and I tend to go overboard on the plastic wrap. It's just so much fun. Yeah, this is what I do. Alright, and Lester did laser engrave this Delrin with his logo on it. Looks good. Comes with all the hardware. So these 4 bolts that connect the 2 pieces are already installed, and hidden inside you will see the additional hardware to install it onto the Noualaser. So you use the original hardware for one side and the additional hardware for the other. And that's it. You're unboxed and ready to install. First thing I want to show you is the size difference between the 2 risers. So you can see that we do get a couple extra inches there to raise that tower up even further. Now I'm going to bring you in for a close-up view. So here I have the Noualaser tower disassembled. Just took it off the base. One other difference I want to show you is for the new version, I believe we can only use the bottom two mounting holes for the support bracket, where the regular version we can use all four of those holes. But I don't anticipate that being an issue at all. This is tough stuff, and those bottom screws will hold it in place just fine. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take apart the riser, then install it to the base. As you can see, the replacement hardware was tucked in there and hidden so it wouldn't get lost. The main thing to remember is to install the two pieces separately on the two stock pieces before we join the riser halves together. I like to start with the base, because that way make sure I get the side supports lined up first. I don't want these to be super tight until we put the bottom screws in. So I was wanting to see how much bite these short screws would have, and I would not recommend using the short screws on the bottom. But you can tell how well machined this part is. These screws go in nice and smooth. No resistance and lock down nice. I accidentally tightened those down all the way, and I didn't mean to. I need to make sure everything's lined up before I snug everything down. So that's my fault. Now we can snug everything down. Let's see. Alright, there's piece one. Then just repeat this process on the other half on the tower. Remember, it's going to set like this. So make sure you install this at the correct orientation. Then there's plenty of room for the plug. Get the first one started. Just the second one. And you will need a long reach hex keys to get these from this orientation bottom bolts. And standard length will reach these top ones. Alright, so now that those are all in place, we can snug them all up. Okay, there's that one. Alright, those are all snugged up. Now we're ready to join the two halves. After we pull the cord through. Alright, our cord is through. Snug those down, then we're ready to connect the motor cable and then reattach the tower to the base. There. It was hitting on the wiring harness. And luckily my holes were lined up, so all I have to do is put these tightening screws in. Now one thing that I do before I spin my tower or anything is I just made some marks with a Sharpie, then get those marks to line up. One thing I do before I rotate my tower is make some marks with a Sharpie or something, then line them back up so that I know it's straight. It's low tech, but it works. And that's it. So we went from a 460 millimeter total length tower to 685. And then the new updated Noualaser tower from the bottom to the top is 660. And we'll just confirm we are indeed moving up and down. So no issues there. And our fiber laser cord does have plenty of length to be able to rise that high and not cause any unneeded stress. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed seeing the Pinpoint Cam riser for the Noualaser Smart 2. If you have a different laser and a different connection mechanism, reach out to Lester. I'm sure he can make you a riser. He can make one for a standard fiber laser or your desktop all-in-one systems like these. Concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Nice unboxing, and wanted to introduce you to another maker out there who can make some customized products for your laser. If you need them, just reach out to Lester. The business card was there on the screen. Link will be in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Patreon if you so desire. Please leave a comment and let me know any other videos you would like to see. I would appreciate it. I like to take some guidance from the viewers so that I'm making content that you want to see, so do not hesitate to leave me a comment. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.